How you doing? I'm Mike from Harris Water Main. Today we have our crew leader, Stanley. Stanley, how you doing?
I'm doing great, thank you.
All right, what are we doing today?
Well, we have a broken water main. We got to replace the line.
Okay, they have a 3-day notice?
Yes.
And where is it leaking?
It's in the street right next to the condensation box.
All right, let's take a look.
Okay.
Not too busy of an area, right?
Nah.
How you guys doing? You guys doing good today? Edward? So we got a lot of water in the hole.
Yeah. Actually, it's running into the condensation box. You could actually hear it going inside.
Yeah, right here. This has potentially been leaking for a while then, huh?
Yeah.
What size water service do they have inside?
They have 1-inch lead.
1-inch lead?
So we're going to replace it with 1.25 inch copper.
Okay, so you got to replace the whole thing.
Yes.
Right, because it's lead, right?
Yeah.
So what's the plan here? You pump and dig and pump and dig, right?
We cannot use the backhoe right now because we don't know how deep the top is.
You don't want to rip it and make anything worse.
They say it's 4 feet, but you can't take any chance. Sometimes the information is off, so you got to be very careful.
Is this a protected roadway?
Yes, it is.
All right, so obviously all this is garbage. Everything we're pulling out, we're going to have to pull in all new, right?
Yes.
Do we have a duct right here, or is this just the concrete that he broke right here?
Electrical duct.
It's electrical duct right there? It doesn't seem like you got too much other utilities in the area, right?
Well, you have the gas across the street.
You can hear the water rushing back into the box.
Yes.
After you pump, right? You're pumping, you're sucking some of that water out. You hear it going back in.
Into the box, yeah.
And this box is connected to that box?
They're both connected here.
They're both connected here?
To break a hole on the sidewalk, but we got to shut the top first. Because once you start digging with the machine, you don't want to break the line, then you have mud all over the place.
So that's why we're not working on 2 holes at once right now?
Yes.
Because in case you hit the line, then it'd be a nightmare. Gotcha, okay.
So once we have the water shut off, it's not a problem if you broke the line, so there's no water in it.
Does the water come right through the stoop right here?
Yeah.
Is it vaulted?
It's actually like, no. It's off the corner, like 1 foot off the corner of the building.
So, are you gonna have to make a hole underneath at the landing over here?
No, we're gonna try and
blow a tunnel?
it with it, yeah.
So I see you guys are being good about making sure you don't have any real fill next to your hole.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah. You gotta keep it at least 2 to 3 feet away from the edge of the hole.
Yeah. So we have enough room here, cars could pass.
Yeah, we have 11 feet.
Right?
Yeah. We have the bike lane, so we have to
put share in the road.
Yeah.
Okay. It's a slow go when you're dealing with this much water, right? Having to dig and fight it? And I assume as we get closer and closer, the heavier the water gets, right? Because you can tell now how fast the hole's filling up. Looks like it's coming from over there. Maybe a 3-day in error?
We're gonna see. Maybe they let it just at the angle and comes around.
Maybe. I mean, it's definitely leaking by where. There we go. So what they do is they turn the pump up higher, pumps more water out. You can see over there under the street right there where they're digging, there's a ton of water coming through the hole. And the more we dig, the harder and faster the water's gonna come. I take it there's like a happy medium, right? You don't want it too dry. You don't want the dirt, when you're digging, you don't want the dirt to be too dry, and you don't want it to be soaked like this. Another duct, right? Is this a different perspective of the water? So when they move, you'll be able to see. We think it might not even be our customer's water main. Seems like it was coming down, might be coming down this electrical line. It looked like the water wasn't coming through as hard after we got underneath it.
Yeah.
Is it possible it's running down those ducts?
I think before it was, because the main is a little higher, it was coming to the duct, but once we get below the duct level,
okay,
it starts coming into the hole and it's not going into the duct anymore. That's heavier reduced.
Possible that this water's traveling down the ducts and it's not our main?
a possibility, but I did hear a sound on the main inside.
I heard it too, yeah. Deep.
It's like 4 feet.
A lot of garbage in this street, huh? North of the south, 8 feet, north of the south.
That should be ready to go.
Yeah. You gotta be getting close to it. So these pumps can handle a little bit of dirt. It seems like dirt coming knocked out of there.
Yeah. But you don't want too much dirt to go inside. That's when you have to strain on there. Then you block up.
Yeah, but that strainer will let dirt through, right? Can't see it right now. You kind of see it down there, the tap. Just trying to clear up under the tap a little more.
Yeah, you gotta get to the nut to cut off nut.
It's leaking right at the tap. You gotta feel it.
Looking at the top also. You can't really see it. So you got to feel. You see where it is, this side of the tank.
We're almost to the water main now. It's such a heavy leak. We haven't even shut your water main off yet.
Oh.
We're still fighting to get down. We're almost there. We just exposed
I
it.
saw a lot of water.
Oh, that's so nice.
Atta boy.
Yes, good job, Edward.
Thank God, you know?
That's all you can do, right?
Yeah. We'll check inside.
Good job, guys. That was tough. So Stan, real quick, so you can see now the water is not pumping through the ducts anymore. It's their water main, right?
Let me check in the basement.
Okay. You can see still a little bit coming out of the tail piece there. So that was a really, really tough job getting that water off, huh?
Definitely.
Edward, you were fighting that hard. Great job.
Thank you.
All right, you guys look like you got a lot of work left. See, you got Anthony. He's working on the sidewalk.
Yeah.
Gonna blow some tunnels.
I gotta rip this out, dig it down,
Okay.
then we start on the tunnel.
All right. Thank you guys. Have a good day.
You too.
Thanks for watching.
Any problem? Harris is your man.